Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Net Worth and Lifestyle of Celebrities. Today we will discuss about Ismail Haniyeh Net Worth 2024. So in this video you will get to know all the information that Ismail Haniyeh's bio, career and lifestyle. So guys, without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all you should know who was Ismail Haniyeh. So Ismail Haniyeh was a Palestinian politician who was the political leader of Hamas, the organization that has governed the Gaza Strip since 2007 from 2017 until his assassination in 2024. He had mostly lived in Qatar. Haniyeh was the head of the Hamas list that won the Palestinian legislative elections of 2006, which campaigned on armed resistance against the Israeli occupation and so became Prime Minister of the State of Palestine. However, Mahmoud Abbas, the Palestinian president, dismissed Haniyeh from office on 14 June 2007 due to an ongoing Fatah-Hamas conflict. Haniyeh did not acknowledge Abbas' decree and continued to exercise prime ministerial authority in the Gaza Strip. Haniyeh was the leader of Hamas in the Gaza Strip from 2006 until February 2017. Then he was replaced by Yahya Sinwar. Haniyeh was seen as relatively one of the more pragmatic and moderate figures in Hamas. Now talk about Ismail Haniyeh early life details. So Ismail Abdul Salam Ahmad Haniyeh was born to a family of Muslim Palestinian in the Al-Shati refugee camp of the Egyptian occupied Gaza Strip. His parents were expelled or fled from Ashkelon during the 1948 Palestine War, part of the territory where Israel was then established. In his youth, he worked in Israel to support his family. He attended United Nations run schools and graduated from Islamic University of Gaza with a degree in Arabic literature in 1987. He became involved with Hamas while at university from 1985 to 1986. He was head of the Students' Council representing the Muslim Brotherhood. He played as a midfielder in the Islamic Association football team. He graduated at about the time that the first intifada against the Israeli occupation broke out. He participated in protest against Israel. Now talk about Ismail Haniyeh net worth 2024. So our analysis indicates that at the time of Ismail Haniyeh's death, he had net worth around $4 billion. So I request you to please like the video, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell.